Hey internet, this is Bharat, your weekend farmer. Welcome to yet another product review. Today we have with us a manual sprayer by Kisan Craft. This is the second Kisan Craft product we are reviewing here. Thank you for the tremendous response for my earlier video. So even this review will be in the same format where I'll be reviewing this product part by part. It will be a complete review from my end. If you are new around here, do subscribe to my channel and hitting that like button. It will be a great support from your end. So without wasting much time, let's begin with the video. This is how the packaging looks like. They have the company branding on the top and the product model name, and on the sides they have the product other product details like other manual sprayers available. Then on the other side where they have provided the product description and the manufacturer details. This product is also manufactured in China. Now let's see the box contents. Inside the box we get three things: the main 5-liter unit, the nozzle, and spare gaskets. It's very thoughtful of them to include gasket as they get worn out with use. They do not provide any manual or such. It's left to us to figure out how to use this product. So that's with the box content. This is a 5-liter unit. The plastic used to make this is of good quality. Always remember one thing while buying any manual sprayer: make sure the quality of plastic is good, and second thing is that make sure it is made from a single unit. For example, this is a manual sprayer which I had bought earlier. This is from Jupiter. So as you can see, this product has failed at this joint. Here we can clearly see that there is a different plastic used to show the level of water inside. It might be useful to some extent, but considering the product design, it's a part where the product fails. Since these containers retain high pressures, such weak joints result in product failure. So make sure that you do not buy such products where they have used different materials for containers. In this case, they have used a single unit, which is a good thing. Second important thing which you need to keep in mind is how we store these products. These plastics do not age well. So after use, make sure you store them at a place where they don't receive direct sunlight, because these plastics tend to get brittle over a period of usage if they are exposed to longer hours of sunlight. So ensure you store them safely where they don't receive direct sunlight. Found very useful is this strap which I have included in this unit, which you can use to carry it around. Wish it was detachable, because it sometimes gets annoying when it just moves around. So yeah, so overall it's a very good container unit. My favorite thing in this product is the inclusion of this pressure release valve. This ensures that the pressure inside the container is under check. So this has two main functions. One is to limit the amount of pressure inside the container, and second is to release the excess pressure once you are done pumping. Now I will show you the demo of how this pressure relief valve works. Now I will release complete pressure from this and later start pumping this container till the pressure builds above its limit. So now let's see in action. If you hear closely, the excess pressure is getting released as I keep pumping. So that's the function of this pressure relief valve. This might look like a simple lid, but it has many tricks up its sleeve. this whole pump unit is integrated in this lid. We can open this to fill in the container. One thing which I figured out over the usage is they have provided a lock mechanism. So what it does is this handle provided has a small provision over here and a protruded plastic part. So it slides through there, and when we rotate it, it acts as a lock, and we can use this handle we can use this pump as a handle to lift this whole container. So that's one thing. And the second thing is we can use this to open up the container. So if you rotate it, see, that's how we can detach the pump completely. And now this whole lid acts as a pan. So if you are filtering out something, we can just keep the filter and not worry about spilling out the liquid. So that's one good thing. We can use it to hold filters. So next, that's one good thing they have integrated with this lid. So we can use this handle to lock it up, and we are ready to use. So we can rotate this ring provided here to detach the pump complete. One mechanism if you have to repair the pump or replace the gasket inside the pump. So that's pretty much everything about the lid. The nozzle provided in the box is of very good quality. It's almost a feet long, and it's very easy to attach. So it's very easy to attach to the main unit. Just slide in there, and now it's fixed to the main unit. So this is the trigger. Even the trigger functions really well. So we press it and push forward to lock the trigger. So that's no complaints over here. The whole plastic used is of good quality, and so this is how the trigger looks like. Now let's see the product in action. We have fully pumped up the container. Now let's see how this works. First thing is we press the trigger and lock it up. This is a meshed through. Once we rotate the nozzle, we get a linear through. It has a pretty good reach. It can go, I think it can go more than 400 centimeter approximately. So that's the reach at the high pressure. So we can control this by rotating this tip in the nozzle. So we can see this is we get a high mist with this, and once we rotate, we get a proper linear through. So I have paid 850 rupees for this product, and I am very happy with the purchase. I have started preparing waste decomposer solutions, and I am using this to spray it all across my crops. So far with the use, I am very happy with this. That concludes my complete review on this product. I hope you found this video useful. If you have any question regarding this product, do let me know in the comment section below. I'll try answering them. Thank you for being in the farm with me today. See you all in the next video. Till then, take care. Jai Hind.